Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about digital twins. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a digital representation of a physical object, process, system, or environment. It is a virtual copy that is synchronized with the real-world counterpart in real time. Digital twins can be used to simulate the behavior of the physical object or system, to test and optimize designs, and to predict how the object or system will perform in the future. Why are digital twins important? Digital twins are important because they can help us to improve the design, operation, and maintenance of physical objects and systems. They can be used to simulate the performance of a product in different conditions, test new designs, predict how a product will age and degrade over time, optimize the production process, troubleshoot problems, prevent downtime, improve the efficiency and reliability of energy systems, improve the safety and efficiency of transportation systems, and much more. How are digital twins created? Digital twins are created by collecting data from the physical object or system. This data can be collected from sensors, cameras, and other devices. The data is then used to create a virtual model of the object or system. The future of digital twins. Digital twins are still a relatively new technology, but they have the potential to revolutionize many industries. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more applications for digital twins in the years to come. Conclusion. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something about digital twins. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Outro. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.